guys ha, pa-comment ako naglalag tayo or hindi.
I don't usually do this, but
Okay.
can I sing to you? Yeah.
Wait nga guys ha. Ayun.
Talk to you for hours. I wanna give you your flowers and some champagne showers, all the shrimp and lobster towers. But it's me that gets devoured. Ooh, you do what you do. I'm empowered. You give me a superpower. Together the world could be ours. You stick me up on the counter. Instantly it's thunder showers. Storming for a couple of hours. We finish, take a shower. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours.
Nasa Japan kasi kayo guys. Yes. Nasa Japan kasi kayo. Ganun talaga. Met you.
I've never been in love like this. A love like ours. I pray for it on my knees every night for some hours and hours and hours and hours and hours. And I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. What's yours is mine and ours, and yours mine and ours.
I can talk to you for hours.
Sit and look at you
For hours.
making love to you for hours, laying on your chest for hours, telling you jokes for hours, holding you close for hours, and
Oh, oh, oh. Hi Adelala. Hi guys. Labo ba par? Guys, ayan, okay na po ba? Bakit kaya sobrang labo, no? Ngayon guys, okay na po ba? Ayan. Well, I think it's good naman, eh. Wait lang, ah. Ayan, shoutout po sa mga kakapasok lang po dito. Welcome po dito sa mga hindi pa naka-follow guys, please follow me po. Please follow me. Thank you so much. Gusto ko na pagkupit ulit. Hindi, gusto ko magpahaba kasi may gagawin ako sa hair ko. Get me up. Malabo talaga, no? Guys, sorry ah. Ganyan nga talaga siya eh. Kaya nga, ay tingin ko nga sa net ko. Hindi kasi mahina yung signal, hindi ko alam bakit. Ay, Ninong Ed! Medyo mahina yung signal kasi kayo. Pasensya na. Pasensya na talaga guys. By the way everyone, hi Sir Jason Vasquez, By the way, everyone, guys, ang dami nang nag-register. We only have 20. 20 guys, 20 left. Yes. Last 20 na lang po ang ating slots for our live selling sa January 24 anniversary live selling ng XQC. Naglalag nga. I'm really sorry, guys. Alam ko rin, naglalag nga eh. Nakikita ko, guys. And I apologize. I apologize, guys. If nagkakaganyan tayo. Nakakainis talaga. Sorry talaga, guys. Pero okay. Okay, mag-alala, guys. Babawi naman tayo yun. Mapiling ko ngayon lang yan, guys. Pagdating ng mga 12, wala na yan. Pero, syempre, alam niyo naman kung anong oras tayo lagi. Diba? Wait lang, guys, ha. Share nyo nga yung live muna. Magpo-post to bigla. Wait lang. In 3, 2,
all I can think about is that since I seen you last, I know I didn't have to walk away. All I had
ayan, guys. Okay na ba po?
space
Hello?
your way. When I told
Sa mga nanonood po rito, guys, patap-tap ng screen pa share ng live.
your clothes, I had
Ayan. Hello, guys. Kamusta kayo, guys? Kamusta po? Welcome here sa live. I know it you know now.
it's not
Delayed naman ngayon.
so complicated.
Hindi ko lang maintindihan. Naglolo ko yung internet. Bakit nagkakaganyan? I'll let your body decide. Wait lang, guys. Try ko, guys, i-reset or patayin yung wifi tapos pandarin ulit. Okay, wait lang.
Told me when you started, I'll be here, baby.
Ah,
Need the heart and baby.
nakakapagod. Mag-ayos. Huwag na kaya mag-live.
If you wanna feel that way,
Nai-stress ako. Ang hirap ayusin ng
come on,
ng net. Diyos ko, kami na nga lang nandito. Ayaw pa umayos ng net. Nakakapikon. Di ba, guys? Tayo lang naman nag-uusap dito. Ayaw pa umayos ng net. Nakakapikon. Walang pakisama. Naku.
pick up your clothes.
Meet me at my door. Open. Oh, now. Welcome, guys, sa mga nanonood po rito. Shoutout po sa inyo lahat, guys. Welcome. I'll let your body decide. I'll let your body decide. Already. Already for me, already for me. I'll let your body decide. Already for me, for you. Yes. Hi, Ate Aim! Shoutout po. Guys, sa mga hindi pa naka-register, guys, you can register po. Pwede po kayo mag-register, guys. Okay. Again guys, sa mga gusto pong maka-join po at maka-experience po ng live selling po in person or actual live selling with me and with of course our guest Tommy Chanko. Guys, you can register po on our Blue App po. Napakadali lang po mag-register. All you need to do po is go to our exclusive page, guys. Go to our exclusive page and then you scroll it, guys, with of course the video of Tommy Chanko, guys. Ito po, para makita nyo pong lahat. Ito po yun. Ayan. Ito po, oh. I-click nyo lang po ito. Ayan. Tapos i-sign in nyo lang po yung inyong Gmail, email, guys, or whatever na ginagamit po ninyo. For example, ako po tatry ko pong mag-login dito as my account. Alright, for example, itong account ko na isang yung isang account, wait lang, nagkamali ako lang po. Wait lang. Something went wrong, wait lang. Okay, again guys, if gusto nyo makasama guys, you can join po. Wait lang, ba't ganyan yung mga kanta natin? Pang ano So you can come pick up your clothes. I had it open. Meet me at my door. 'Cause I had it open. What's this? Put it Chanel. Put it Chanel. Chanel. Put it Chanel. Chanel. Put me Chanel. Thank you for following guys. Sa mga nagpo-follow po, maraming salamat po. Welcome here po sa live natin. What's my mood? Try me, come find out. One more time. In my mind. Doesn't matter if she's not me. In your mind. Oh yeah, on me. On me. Ayan. So pag-click nyo po, mapupunta na po kayo rito. Ayan. Pagpunta nyo po dyan, ayan o. I-record nyo lang yan. Check nyo lang yan. Then I confirm. Das next. O ito, check nyo lang yan. Das next. Ayun o. Okay, ulit So, pag nandito na kayo, click nyo po ito. I-check nyo po yan Then after that po, confirm of course. Then go to next. Then after that guys, syempre of course, register your full name, your email address, your mobile number, and kung Chinese ka po ba or Phantoms po yung inyong fandom. And yung item price guys, ito po yung i-avail po ninyo, inclusions. May crop top na po and flow pants na set plus live audience slot. One form submission guys equals 1 slot. Okay, we have khaki flow pants na pwede mong piliin. Gray flow pants yan. Diba? Tapos ito yung size chart. And answer nyo lang po kung anong size po and color po. Color and size ng inyong item. And kung anong color din po ng crop box ninyo. And what design. Dalawa po kasi yung design. Okay, ayan po. Ayan. Tapos next nyo lang po. Pagka next, for example, ako po mag-order po ako. For example, from Phantoms po ako. From Phantoms. So, ito. Lagay ko, Christian Martinez. Okay. Martinez. Then, email ko. Okay. Basta email. Ayan. Okay. Ayan, basta lahat yan. Basta yun. Next ka lang. Next ka lang guys. Para maka-register na po kayo ulit. Alright. Ayan. Sa mga nanonood dito guys, shoutout po sa inyo lahat. Welcome here sa live. Again guys, that's how you register lamang po. So, may mga questions po. Just comment on our comment section lamang po. Okay? Thank you so much. Ayan. Yes guys, register na. Last 20 slots na lang po. Last 20 slots na lang po. Okay? Guys, ubusin nyo na yung 20 slots. Ang dami kagabi eh. Ngayon 20 na lang. Diba? Last 20 na lang. Bakit macho ka? Nag-workout po. Kasi ako. At ano pa ba? Yun lang. Workout lang. Tsaka ibang klaseng workout kasi. Okay guys, go to our exclusive page lang guys. Okay. Eh, grabe ang ganda ng ating ano.
What's up guys, Tommy?
Diba? Guys, register na kayo guys. Sir Jason, ba't di ka mag-HOK? ML ka talaga, no? Oo, I know naman eh, some of your ML talaga. Ako kasi HOK na ako. Diba? Ay, gano'n. Yes, register na. Pubs ka naman. Ano ID mo? HOK ba? Pin a comment. Yes guys, register na kayo. Last 20 na lang. Last 20 na lang po ang ating slots. Guys, I hope na makapag-register po kayo lahat. Let's go! The sea, the skies. Yes. I know what you want, I know you want me. I know what you think, but you think you see. Diba? Totoo. Last 20 na lang guys ha. Guys, paalala nyo lagi sa live natin, last 20 slots na lang. Okay. Hanggang 12 lang ako guys, so sana diba? Hanggang 12 lang ako. In the building of the world, the sea, the sky. Saan pwede mag-register? Sa may Blue App po. Dito po punta lang po kayo ng Blue App. Ganito lang po gagawin po ninyo ha. Okay.
What's up guys?
All you need to do po is search the exclusive page. For example po ito. Search nyo lang po. Ito po yung pangalan ng exclusive page. Ayan po. Exclusive page. And then after that, scroll nyo lang po.
What's up guys, Tommy?
Diyan kay Tommy.
What's up guys, Tommy here. I just wanna invite you to the exclusive
And then click
anniversary
the
live
form. After you click the form po, basta register your email lang. Tapos sagutan nyo lang po yung lahat. And confirm. And then after you confirm nyo lang yung next. Tapos ayan po. register your name. Kunyari, Christian Martinez. Kung anong team mo, fan base, Chinese ka ba, Phantoms ka ba. Tapos ito po yung mga, ayan po yung inclusions sa 3,995. Kasama na po yung live audience slot nyo po na in-avail. And yung crop tee, tsaka yung flow bands. Ayan guys, ayan po siya. O, diba? Ang gaganda, diba? Order lang kayo dyan guys. Ang gaganda ng mga t-shirts natin dyan. Again guys last 20 slots na lang. Yes po. Last 20 slots. Okay. Sana makahabol kayo guys. Yes. Thank you, Cholin. Pa-order ng Halo Blocks. Hindi kami nagbebenta ng Halo Blocks dito, be. Sensya na, be, kung meron kami rito. Matagal ko na pinakpok sa ulo mo. Sorry. joke lang. Chill lang. Huminga. Come on. Pumikit na muna. At baka sakaling namamalikmatan lang. Di ba't ako'y mag-isa? Kala ko'y payapa, boses mo'y tumatawag pa. Last 20 guys, let's go guys. Sir Jason, nasa Pinas ka ba? Wala na. Umuwi ka na. Sir Jason, baka gusto mo wala, trip mo lang. Ganun. ML na lang? Or HOK? Sorry. Last 20 slots, register nyo sa Blue Up. Yes, guys. Totoo yun. Sana guys makapag-support po kayo lahat. Come on. Kahit saan man mapunta ay anino mo'y kumakapit sa aking kamay. Ako ay dahan-dahan nililibing ng buhay ba? Hindi na it's me. Shimay, I miss you. I miss you all guys. Sana na-miss nyo rin ako. Yes. Ilaw ng damdamin ko. Hindi pa ba sapat pagpapahirap sa'kin? Hindi na ba mamaya pa? Hindi na ba mamaya pa? Makalaya, di nadalaw mo ko bawat gabi. Wala mang nakikita, haplos mo'y ramdam pa rin sa lilim. Hindi na nalaginip, hindi na makagising. Kasi na gawin inutol ako ng damdamin ko. Ang damdamin ko, di mo ba ako lipisahin? Hindi pa ba dapat pagpapahirap sa'kin? Hindi na ba mamaya pa? Hindi na ba mamaya pa? Makasaya ang lalakya.
Don't worry, it's
OA. It's like supernatural. Hi, Ninong Bray. Salamat po, Ninong Bray. Guys, salamat sa mga support po ninyo. Achoo! What you gonna be? Come on. Ala, si OA. Sana mag-register po kayo. Back mo yan si Tom. It's like supernatural. Diba? Supernatural talaga. Guys, sa mga hindi pa po naka-register guys, we only have 20 slots na lang po. Sana makapag-register pa po kayo. Sa mga nagtatanong po kung paano po mag-register, sa Blue Up lang po yan. Salamat po. Ayan. Okay. Nakakamiss yung kanta. Natural. Ito yung kanta na Busy Days pa tayo. Supernatural. Ito yung kanta na Busy Days pa tayo. Sobra. Yung sobrang ano natin talaga, no? Yung peak talaga natin, no, guys? Antindi. Pero ito. Ayan. Mag-ano muna tayo. Mag-chords lang tayo. Diba? Alam yan, ha? Konting kantahan lang dito sa live ko, guys. Pero habang ano ang lahat, habang ang lahat ay sana guys, i-follow nyo po ako. Keep follow po sa mga nagka-follow po dyan, guys. Maraming salamat po, guys. Sa mga guys, sa mga hindi pa po, guys, nakapag register po dyan, guys. I hope you can register po dito sa ating Blue Hub po for our anniversary live selling with Tommy Chanko and me, and our new item po, guys, na ilo-launch. Sana makapag-check out po ang lahat kung wala man po kayo doon. Pero I hope, guys, na nandun po kayo lahat. Pero ayan muna, bago ang lahat, syempre magkakandahan muna tayo rito. 'Di ba? Humingang malalim, pumikit na muna, at baka sakali na maulit madala. Ba't nababahala? Di ba't ako'y mag-isa? Kala ko'y payapa, boses mo'y tumatawa. Binaon naman na hirahan, di na pa naman aking sugat. Ngunit ba't ba andito pa? Hirap na kong intindihin. Tanging panalangin, lumanda sana. Dahil sa bawat tingin, mukha mo'y nakikita. ang buhay pa. Hindi na makalaya, dinadalaw mo ko bawat gabi. Wala mang nakikita, haplos mo'y ramdam pa rin sa dilim. Hindi na nananaginig, hindi na makagising. Pasig na ng ilaw, minulto na ko ng damdamin ko, ng damdamin ko. Di pa ba sapat pagpapahirap sa'kin? Di na ba mamaya pa? Di na ba mamaya pa? Di na makalaya, di nadalaw mo ko bawat gabi. Wala mang nakikita, hapos mo'y ramdam pa rin sa dilim. Hindi na nanaginip, hindi na makagising. Pasig na ng ilaw, minumulto na ako ng damdamin ko, ng damdamin ko. Yun! Ayan. Nantawa kasi yun guys, kaya binabang ko lang yung tono ko, babe. Alam ka naman sirahin ko yung boses ko. Di ba? But thank you so much for listening. Guys, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-register guys, again, we have 20 slots na lang. Pero I'll check guys kung ilan na lang po yung natitirang slots for now. But guys, I hope guys na makapag-register po kayo for our anniversary live selling grand launch ng ating new item po ng Eksklusibo. Of course, with the one and only our special guest, Tommy Chanko po. Sana guys, makapag-ano po kayo guys. Makapag-register po kayo guys para ma-experience nyo po yung actual live in person guys. With syempre may photo booth na din po yun guys, nakasama po doon sa ating live selling studio. Guys, again guys, we only have last 20 slots na lang po. Okay, sana makapag-register pa po ang iba guys ng slots nila. I hope guys makapag-register pa po kayo. Salamat po. Ayan. Maybe you're all that I want when you're lying here in my arms. I found it hard to believe we're in heaven. Oh, thinking about all the younger years. Thinking about. Oh, thinking about all the younger years. About, oh, we was only you and me. We were young and wild and free. Now I can take you away from me. Tama ba? There are times. Ano nga? There are times I'm lying on my bed, how I below and cry from this stupid game. Tama ba? Parang hindi ito yun. Brian Heaven lang by Brian by Brian Fury. Naging ano pala? Naging Tekken. Di ba? Di ba? Parang ano yun, parang madali lang pala to, no? Ay, mahaba yung kuko ko pala, kaya pala. Paano kaya to? Nail cutting ko muna nga guys. Sorry guys ha. Medyo ano lang tayo. Nail cutting ko muna. Okay lang ba guys? Wait. Kahit kailan
ano man ang nararamdaman, asahan mo ako'y andito lang, di ako lalayo kailan pa man, kailan pa man. At kahit madalas na tayong di magkasunduan, ikaw pa rin ang uuwian. Mahal, ikaw ang uuwian. Baguhin man ng libo-libong buwan,
Libong buwan.
kulay ng kalangitan, pangako ko hindi kita iiwan.
Pangako ko ay sa'yo lang ako. Ikaw pa rin ang hanap ng ikaw ang patutunguhan. Ito. Oh, thinking about your name. We were only you and me. We were young and wild and free. Now I can. Now nothing can take you away from me. We've been down that road before, but that's over now. You keep it coming back for more. Come on, baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying in my arms, I found it hard to believe we're in heaven. And love, it's all that I need. When I found it there in your heart, isn't it hard to believe we're in heaven? Once in your life you find someone who will turn your world around, bringing you up when you're feeling down. Yeah, nothing can take you away from me. There's a lot that I could say, just hold me now, 'cause our love will light the way. Come on, sing with me. And baby, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, I found it hard to believe we're in heaven. Your love, it's all that I need, and I found it there in your heart. It isn't it hard to believe we're in heaven. I've been waiting for so long for something to arrive, to love have to come along. Now my dreams are coming true. Through the good times and the bad, I'll be standing there by you. Oh. And maybe you're all that I want when you lie near in my arms. I'm finding it hard to believe we're in heaven. And love, it's all that I need. And I found it there in your heart. Isn't it hard to believe we're in heaven? Heaven. Yun. Ay, may pa ganun. Siyempre, hello guys! Guys, sa mga hindi pa naka-register guys, mag-register na po kayo. We only have last 20 slots na lang po guys. Dito po sa ating exclusive anniversary live selling po. Na ma-experience nyo po actual live guys. As in, sobrang saya nito. Dahil, of course, nandito si Tommy Chanko. And of course, ako. And of course guys, nandito rin ang iba't ibang ano pa guys, iba't ibang team. 'Di ba? Hindi lang Chinese, may Phantoms din po tayo makakasama at of course, 'di ba? Makaka-collab. Kaya guys, sana guys, makapag-register na po kayo guys. Dahil guys again guys, sa 24 na po guys, ang ating malapit na guys. Sana makapag-register kayo guys. Sa 24 na po. January 24 ang ating grand live selling of course. Okay? Guys, sana makapag-register po kayo. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much po sa mga nanonood po dyan. Guys, tap nyo lang yung screen guys. Share nyo lang po yung live. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-share ng live dyan guys, baka naman po guys, isang karangalan pong ma-share nyo po lahat ng yan po. Salamat. Ayan, pa-share ako guys. Okay. Ito ba yun? Wait lang guys Sorry na guys. At yung nandyan na ako'y kinakabag sa iyong mga mata. Ano? Kinakabag ka sa iyong mga tingnan natin to. Parang may mali dito sa lyrics natin dito. Dapat pa-in love lang kunwari yung ating kantahan ngayon. Para lang, chill lang. Guys, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-register guys, register na po kayo. Again guys, how to register po ba? Again guys, punta po kayo ng Blue Up. Then after yung pupunta ng Blue Up guys, makikita nyo po doon yung video invitation po ni Tommy. Ayan, sa caption po, nandun po yung link ng Google Docs. Tapos, ayan, fill up nyo lang po yung tapos makapag-check out lang po kayo doon ng pili lang po kayo mga design and colors po ng set po na i-avail po ninyo for your slots. 'Di ba? Ayun po. Okay. Sana guys makapag kayo guys. Sana po. Sana lang guys. Salamat! Ting, ting, ting. Ano nga to? Ay, pwede ikaw. Nakalimutan ko yung tono. Okay, okay. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Na, 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 dun, 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 dun. Da, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Da, da, da. Hawakan mo ang kamay ko, taas ng nakahigpit. Toos, ayoko na guys. Babaan ko lang, sorry. Napataas. Not my key, sorry po. Sorry, di po kasi ako singer guys, sorry na ha. Nagka-practice lang ako talaga rito sa live. Okay. Hawakan mo kamay ko nang napakahigpit. Pakinggan mo ang tinig ko. Tayo'y pinagtagpo. Kawat ako, di na muling makakalayo. Tuwing kasama kita, kulang pa. Mahal na mahal ka talaga. Ay isa, kawat ako. Tayo'y pinagtagpo. Kawat ako, di na muli makakalayo. Sa buhay natin, ko. Tayo'y pinagtagpo. Kawat ako. Di na muli makakalayo. Next tayo. By ano naman, ikaw at ako by Jason naman. Jason, ano pa nga ito? Jason Derulo. Charing. Jason and Moira. Nung sila pa. Kaso wala na pala sila, ano. Break na. Guys, kung hindi pa mag-register dyan, guys. Guys, pwede na po kayong mag-register po. Last 20 slots na lang po ang natitira. Sana makapag-register po kayong lahat, guys. Last 20 slots na lang, guys. Konting-konti na lang yan, guys. So, kaya na yan, guys. Kaya na yan. Sana makapunta po lahat. Ano yan, guys? Live experience po mismo. Actual live experience. Of course, with me and Tommy Chanko and sa ating new tawag dito and sa mga Phantoms po tsaka Chinese. Guys, it's a collaboration talaga na hindi mo pwedeng i-miss out. Diba? Alright? Sabi nila balang araw darating ang iyong tanging hinihiling. Anong dumating ang aking panalangin ay hindi na maikubli. Pag-asang nahanap ko sa iyong mga mata at ang takot kong sakali mang ika'y mawawala. At ngayon, nandyan ka na. Di mapaliwanag ang nadarama. Handa ako sa walang hanggan. Di pa aasahin, di ka sasaktan. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, ikaw at ako. At sa wakas ay nahanap ko na rin ang aking tanging hinihiling. Pangako sa'yo na ika'y uunahin at hindi na itatanggi ang tadhana ng nahanap ko sa iyong pagmamahal, ang dudulot sa pag-ibig natin na magtatagal. At ngayon, nandyan ka na. Di mapaliwanag ang nadarama. masahi, di ka sasaktan. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, ikaw at ako. At ngayon, nandito na, palaging hahawakan iyong mga kamay. Di ka na mag-iisa sa hirap at ginhawa. Iibigin ka mula noon hanggang ngayon, mula ngayon hanggang dulo. Come on. Ikaw at ako. Alright, next song. Guys, sa mga hindi pa naka-register guys, mag-register na po kayo guys. Dahil 20 slots na lang po yung natitira sa atin. Sana guys makapag-register na kayo guys, kasi kapag naubos yung slots natin guys, sayang. Hindi na tayo ulit-ulit ng ibang slots. And also, guys, okay, it's limited slots. So kung sino lang po yung makakapag-secure ng slots nila, sila lang po yung makakapunta. Alright? Ayan. Salamat po sa mga nag-join po by the way dito sa live ko. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat guys ha. Thank you so much. Guys, sana makapag-register na kayo guys. Let's go. Go for it guys. Go for it. Go register na guys. Kasi minsan lang guys etong experience na to guys. Okay? Guys, with of course the one and only Tommy Chanko guys. Sana guys kayo guys, makasama po kayo with our live experience. Of course guys, may photobooth na po yun para makapag-photoshoot po tayong lahat guys. Ayan, tapos mapiprint out na rin po mismo yung photobooth area natin. So makukuha nyo po rin agad yung photoshoot na pinag-anuhan nyo guys. Ayun lang. Sana guys makapag-register kayo dahil 20 slots na lang po ang natitira. Hi Searching! Shoutout po sa inyo Searching. Hello po. Welcome po here sa live ko. Miss you po. Shoutout po sa inyo. Guys, again guys, register na po. We have only 20 slots na lang guys. Kaya sana makapag-register po ang lahat dito po sa ating live. Okay. Tibo. Course. Ayan. Welcome guys sa mga nanonood po dito. Welcome po. Welcome guys. Welcome. Shoutout sa inyo guys. Simula sa simple na pasuyap-suyap, nagpapapansin sa'yo. Umabot sa palitan ng mga mensahe, kilig na kilig ako. Kamusta? Tara na. Hello, magandang umaga. Ingat ka, pahinga, huwag kang masyadong magpupuyat pa. Naramdaman at puso na dahan-dahan akong nauhulog sa'yo. Sa kada araw natin na pag-uusap, meron nang namumuo. Ngunit di ko na alam kung ano ang patutunguhan. Ang hiling ko lang naman na itong naramdaman. Taas kasi dun eh. Magiging Mickey Mouse na tayo eh. Magiging Aljur Abrenica tayo pag ganyan. Nagsimula sa simpleng na pasuyap-suyap, nagpapansin sa'yo. Umabot sa palitan ng mga mensahe na kilig ko. Kamusta ka na? Hello, magandang umaga. Wait lang. Asan na yun? Kamusta ka na? Hello, magandang umaga. Woo! Ingat ka, pahinga, wag ka masyadong magpupuyat pa. Come on. Naramdaman ang puso na dana, akong nahuhulog sa'yo. Sa kada araw natin na pag-uusap, meron lang namumuo na hindi, ngunit di ko na alam kung ano ang patutunguhan. Ang hiling ko lang naman na itong naramdaman. Taas yan, no? Taas kasi. Come on. Sana naman. Sana naman. Tibok ng puso kong sa'yo lang naramdaman ng tunay na kaligayahan. Sana may Chinese na rin po, guys. But hello po. Ay po, ba't mukha po kayong host? Yung iba sabi sa akin, rabbit. Ngayon sa'yo, ostrich. Ano ba talaga ya? Hindi ko na alam kung sino ka mukha ko ya. Ang gulo mo ya. Stress ako sa iya. Ginugulo mo rin minsan utak ko ya eh. Di ba? Ang lakas ng trip mo. Kahit di ko na alam kung ano ang patutunguhan. Ang hiling ko lang naman sana naman ay mapa.
Sige kayo na pogi, sige kayo na pogi, sa akin yung dating. Sige kayo na pogi, sige kayo na pogi, sa akin yung dating. Panis yung mga pogi, panis, sa'yo pa nakachit.
Yun. O sige kayo na pogi. Basta akin yung dating. Panis yung mga pogi. Kahit pa nakajudeng. Oh my God! May dumagdag na guys! Ayan, si Ninong Bray! Guys, last 24 na lang guys. Yes! Thank you so much guys. We only have 24 left. 24 na lang guys. Sa wakas. Naiiyak ako guys. 24. Joke lang. Last 24 na lang guys. Konti-konti na lang. Ay hindi, last 24. Last 19. Ba't parang mali bilang? Last 19, sorry. 19 pala, 19. Guys, last 19 na lang. Sana makahabol kayo guys. Last 19 na lang. Last 19 pala, sorry. Oo nga eh, hindi marunong mag-countdown. Let's go. Guys, dali encourage everyone po. Last 19 na lang dito, guys. Ubusin na natin yan. Nalito pa nga. Kaya nga nalito pa eh. Diba? Pero thank you guys sa mga nag-avail. Dahil nag-avail kayo, last 19 na lang ang natitira para sa ating lahat. And congratulations dahil malapit na guys. Last 19 na lang. Come on. Guys, sa mga hindi pa naka-follow, mag-follow na kayo guys. Come on. Follow na kayo guys, ha? Sa mga hindi pa naka-follow dyan. Last 19. Ang dami, ang bilis naman. Diba? Saan ba lulugan? Kahit di ko na alam kung anong paturungan. Ang hiling ko lang naman na itong naramdaman. Guys, last 19.
Hi, Christian.
Hi!
What's up?
Nice meeting you again.
Nice
Where are
to
they?
meet you.
Where are your friends?
I don't know. You want? Can I invite it? You want?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So,
Invite them.
다른 분을. Oh,
Guys,
sorry.
let's go. Guys, if you're not following me yet, guys, please do follow.
Enemy.
How are you, by the way, Yuha? How are you?
I'm good. Hi, Brad. Thanks for
Hi,
following
Christian.
me.
Hi, Yuha.
Hi, Brad.
Hey,
Hi.
guys. You know what? Today I have zero power, so I think it's not a good idea to match with me together.
It's fine.
Swear to God, I'm gonna be 0 point.
It's fine. Let's do it. You
alright.
and me. Okay,
That's
then let's do
fine.
it. You and me because me saying zero
Got me?
power today. Yeah.
그 태국인 그 친구하고 좀 친해요, 태국인. 님 누구세요? 근데 저 어떻게 아세요? 누구세요, 님?
누구?
제가 옛날부터 저를 아시던 팬이 들어오셨는데.
아니 그 후님.
Ito na siya, bumalik na. Totoo.
하쿠짱, 하이. 아우, 아리가또 고자이마스, 하쿠짱. 하쿠짱 has gloves.
건우 형 매치하거든요.
Arigato gozaimasu.
아이, 아리가또 고자이마스.
그럼 비밀이죠, 코끼리님. 알려주세요. 님
Are you,
이름 알려주세요.
are you
그럼.
Japanese also?
Sorry? Me?
Are you Japanese? Half
No,
Jap-
no. No, I'm only
Ah, okay.
Korean. But yeah.
So silent.
But you know how to Nihongo.
I'm studying a little bit.
코끼리님
또勉強しました.
누구세요, 님?
Oh, my nose.
Are we gonna wait for who, or are we just gonna do?
Yeah, we're
Let's
gonna
do
wait
it. Let's
for.
do a sing,
Let's.
Brad.
Hmm?
Let's do a sing.
Singing.
Singing.
Yeah, singing.
Let's do this.
Let's do
진짜로?
this.
What?
어차피 I'm gonna be 0 point, so
Okay. So guys, this is my
Okay,
first match.
코끼리님 이름
Guys,
뭐예요?
my
이름
first
알려주세요.
match, guys. My first.
Hey, Justin, are you okay right now?
Oh, Christian, your first match?
Yeah.
Me
it's my
too, me
first match
too.
also.
I'm
Because
doing really good,
I
silent.
just started my live.
Me too. I just got
Oh.
Yeah, I
started.
was. How did you know?
Guys, double point.
Guys, let's go, guys. Guys, times 3, guys.
아,
times
하쿠짱! 本当にありがとうござい
Come on,
ます。
guys.
本当にありがと
Here we
う。
go.
Hi,
Here we
fan.
go, guys.
벨로작 새콤달콤님 안녕하세요.
Times 3.
맛있겠다잉.
Times 3, everybody. Let's go, let's go. Keep it up, guys.
Guys,
Keep it
please
up.
tap the screen and if you guys like me, please join my fan club.
Are you okay right now, Jasmine?
Hi, Anthony.
Ayan, come on.
아니, 코끼리님 본명 알려주세요, 진짜 제발. 저희 아빠 본명이랑 교환하실?
Come on, guys. Whatever you have, guys. First
What's
match
up,
for
Anthony?
today. What's up, Anthony?
Okay, you had team. Let's go.
What's happening though? But you don't have to talk to me here right now, Jasmine.
So Christian, how are you? Christian
Yeah,
or Chris?
I just hope you would be alright.
Christian. But you can call me
Christian, sorry.
guys.
Christian,
Just
how are you?
코끼리님 이름 알려주면 저희 아빠 이름 알려드릴게요.
Just call me Chani.
Jenny?
찬이.
Chani.
Channy. Okay, Channy.
You can
You don't
remove the.
You don't have to
the
talk about it
Chris
right now.
In the
I
Christian.
hope you
Chan.
be alright, Jasmine.
Okay.
Yeah.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm
How about
good.
you,
And actually, I played a guitar for them a while ago.
Thank you,
Before-
Jasmine.
Really?
Before I do the match.
저희 할아버지는 비트메이커니까 다 알죠.
Thank you, Velika. Thank you so much. Arigato, Haku-chan. Guys, let's go. I need the 2 rows, please. Let's go.
저희 할아버지랑 클럽 가실래요? 다음
Let's go,
주에?
guys. Here we go.
저희 할아버지
guys.
홍대 살거든요.
Guys, again sa mga hindi pa
아, 나
nakapag-register, Ninong
블레드를
Bright, thank you so much.
시켜야겠다. Thank you, gradually.
Dahil nag-register.
Why?
Konti na lang tayo rito.
너무
Diba? Why is your energies very low today, Brad?
Huh?
Yeah, 퓨 아리가또 고자이마스.
Emma,
Brad, why 왜 flirting 안 해?
What did you say, Christian?
너 왜 이렇게
Your
낮게?
energy, your energy.
Yeah,
is
okay,
low.
high energy, bro. Do you want me to sing for you?
Yeah, wow. Go, sing for me.
Thank you, Mimi.
I
Guys,
wanna
let's
hear.
go. Double point.
I wanna hear.
Who do you like? Justin Bieber, Shawn Mendes, Bruno Mars?
Shawn Mendes.
아코짱 아리가또 고자이마스.
Can we do Justin Bieber?
Yeah, Justin Bieber. It's fine. It's fine also. If that's what you want,
Yeah.
go. Come on.
Ah,
Wow, that's so cute. Oh, what's that? Oh, is that
Wow.
wow, you're a hamster now, Yuha.
Yeah, right.
A hamster with the lashes.
who's our king? What do you mean about that?
What? I love this.
What's that? Guys, can you
It's magic.
Oh, it's your filter. I know it.
Yeah, it's my filter.
Jenny's at whose room right now, I think.
완전 회복님 안녕하세요.
There was some miscommunication.
안녕하세요.
로즈님 다시
Guys,
오세요.
last 19 na lang, guys. Sa mga hindi pa naka-register, guys, go register na po.
잠이 안 오시나요?
Come on.
Hey,
여기서 6시 정도
하쿠짱.
나왔는데.
하쿠짱, 오네가이시마스. 하쿠짱, 오네가이시마스.
Omegaishimasu. Gomennasai.
고멘나사이, 고멘네.
Gomenne. Ya! Ichini. Ja. Ya.
live in Seoul.
Arigato.
오 귀엽다. 세 마리?
Okay. You guys know that song.
What?
이거 아리가또 고자이마스.
Guys, you know that song? Brad, Yuha, you know that song?
What did you say?
But sorry, Moon. Many people listen
You
to my
guys can hear
song.
me?
귀여운데요, 로즈님 이거. 포근하겠다. 세 명이랑 놀면. 저희 집 고양이 저 싫어하네.
What? 완전 회복님 감사합니다. Thank you so much. 감사합니다.
Oh.
Just a little.
Hi, Crash Ludo. Hi.
감사합니다, guys.
What's up?
What?
Pretty.
What?
Thank you so much, Justin, 로즈님, and all my cappers and rappers and cappers.
That's a sniper.
완전 회복. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. My MVP 완전 회복님 감사합니다. 하쿠짱 혼돈이 아리가또 고자이마스. 부스터 아리가또. Graziella, thank you so much. 미미, thank you.
이거 매치 어떻게 거지?
이거
Thank you, guys.
이렇게. Thank you, Christian. 훈님 오시나?
Yes.
Okay.
It's alright, but still. Thanks for following 8 Mizpah.
Guys, thank you so much. Thank you.
Where's who?
Right here.
Hello guys.
Oh, hi, who?
Hello.
Hi, who?
Hello Christian.
Welcome back.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
So,
How are
about-
you?
아니야, 야, 훈님이랑 나랑 할래. 너 플로팅 해.
Oh my God, why?
Okay.
What?
Let's go, Fu and Yuha. Let's go.
So hi.
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 Brother,
So where are your glass, Christian?
glasses?
Okay,
Yeah, where are your
here's my
glasses?
glass.
I like that one.
Okay, I'm going to wear it. Wait a minute. I'm just going to wipe it out.
Guys, double.
Alright.
I'll tell you.
Here's my glasses.
Oh,
Okay,
here.
then, Christian.
Alright.
하쿠짱.
Thank you so much.
Let's go, guys.
Don't
Second
mess
point.
my broski.
하쿠짱,
Oh,
yosh.
Brad,
Yum.
you're strong, Brad.
I don't agree. I don't
You gotta
agree.
go to bed though.
Brad!
Double check. What the hell?
What?
Why are you like that?
Let's go.
Let's go racing together,
Hey.
Persia.
Guys, sa mga hindi pa naka-register, guys, mag-register na kayo,
so much,
guys.
just me. Thank you for
하쿠짱,
Persia.
Hindi pa
오네가이시마스.
naka-register.
Persia,
Go
amazing.
register na, guys.
So Haku짱 has a glove, so guys, let's go.
Who's
50
that?
times.
Thank you, me.
Yeah.
What's up, love?
Congratulations, and you need to
Stop.
500 times. 500. Okay. Thank you.
건우요.
혼돈이 아리가또
오늘
고자이마스.
되게 밝아졌네요, 건우요. B리그 가가지고.
좋은데 오랜만에 와서.
Guys, again, guys, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-register, guys, please do
5,000. Okay, I
register.
got you. I got you.
Kasi, guys, last 19 slots na lang, guys, for you.
감사합니다, 로즈님. Thank you,
Oh,
just
is it?
For
it?
live
I
selling.
100,
But
130.
don't cheating me.
Our
Yeah.
slots is 19 slots.
I'm jealous.
left, guys.
Don't cheat me.
Come on.
Hey, Christian, what time is it there right now?
It's 11:27 p.m.
Oh, only 1 hour apart.
Yeah, there in Korea, right?
Oh,
Thank you
하쿠짱,
for the donut.
Well, 27
Thank you for
a.m.
the donut.
하쿠짱,
Thank you, just
아리가또.
me. 로즈님 좀 주무셔야 되는 거 아니에요? 지금 자도
Thank you for the
6시간
hand heart, Persia.
Yeah. Let's go, guys.
If you can,
Guys, again,
if you can,
guys,
1,000 million. What the hell?
Last
What you
19.
doing right now,
last
just-
19.
Double
Double
chat.
point, double point.
What's that, chocolate?
It's protein bar.
Oh.
High protein bar. High protein bar.
아, 감사합니다, 로즈님. 그냥 빨리 주무셔야 될 것 같은데. 6시간. Nothing, just lay down on your bed?
What? Come on, guys.
Hi, Gigi. Hi, Ninja.
Double
Hi.
chat.
Hi, Gigi.
I'm gonna change my name.
아리가또, 하쿠짱.
Sila.
No, you don't need that. You don't
Uncle
need
Jack,
that.
come here.
If you change, I'm gonna ignore you. Okay?
It's
If you
mine.
change,
고양이 한 번만
If-
Just kidding.
저 고양이 저 싫어요. My cat hates
just
me.
support my broski.
Guys, double
Okay?
point.
Latu, thank you.
I'll show you. I already
welcome to my
showed you,
stream.
right?
Pillow talk. Wow. Okay. Who? Okay.
Wow.
Okay. Who? Okay.
What the hell?
Who? Why are you so strong today? Who?
I don't
Who's
know.
so strong?
I don't know.
He hates me.
What? Who's that?
Ignore me, K-Shop. Ignore. Don't
Don't
eat.
오셨네.
Instigating. Instigating. That's instigating.
Hey, Christian, Christian, do you like my cat?
Instigating. I mean,
Yeah, I like your pussycat.
Oh yeah. Thank you, bro.
Grazilia, thank you for following. You can't ignore me then.
I like
Hey,
your.
하쿠짱.
Then you
I like your cat.
you need to ignore my
Hey, it's you,
broski,
right?
okay?
Yeah, is that your cat?
Yeah, it's my cat.
How old is that a boy or a girl?
It was a boy.
Was boy.
How old is he?
Was.
He's 4 years old.
4? Wow, that's too old for the cat.
Please don't
Brad, no,
don't
it's
mess
still
my
young.
broski. I
Too
so
old
long
for the
time, I
cat.
told
It's
you.
4 years.
Jen.
Too old for
Only
the
4,
cat.
bro. What do you mean?
4 months?
Thank you, Team Media. Thanks for watching
4
my
years.
live
Yeah, it's too
today.
old for the cat.
Have a great day.
Don't cheating
Thank
me,
you so
Persia.
much.
They live,
Don't cheating me.
they live almost 20 years though.
Hi, Persia. What's up?
It's like
How are you?
adult in.
Yeah, they're adult.
Percy, I want to
We're
say
adult.
hi to you, huh?
Ayula.
Percy is my
Ooh.
fan.
I didn't do nothing.
Yeah.
Really? Oh,
Gia.
thank you,
Ayula.
Persia. Oh my god.
Yeah, welcome back here.
Thank you, Persia. Thank you so much.
Chrisia, hello Chrisia.
Oh
Hi,
my god.
Persia.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Everyone
Chrisia.
shout out to Persia. Persia is my girl.
Persia, let's go.
Chrisia,
Thank
let's
you
go,
so much.
Chrisia.
형, 건우형 펄시아 남자라던데요?
아 여자야. 여잔데
Can I
여자
borrow
좋아.
Chrisia? Hey, who can I borrow Chrisia?
제니가
Ooh, can I borrow Chrisia for a minute?
Oh my gosh, Persia. Oh my gosh.
Gia, welcome back here. Thank you, Gia.
Oh my gosh. Zia, thank you so much. Yay!
You guys are good.
로진님 for
Nice.
MVP, thank you, just me.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, can we
My
do another
MVP.
match?
Thank you so much.
Persia,
Nice,
happy
nice,
to
nice.
meet you. 완전
Happy.
Thank you so much.
Ang lakas na itong mga to. You guys are strong.
Let's go, let's
I'm
go.
going to revenge.
Okay.
I hope so.
Welcome back, Persia.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Does it taste good? Protein bar?
Yeah, it tastes really good. Like for real. It's a top 1 bar here in TikTok.
하쿠짱,本当におめでとう、おめでとう。レベル
Kristen
It's
made
like-
it.
レベル。
It's like 21 grams of
Yeah,
protein.
Guys, triple point, triple.
감사합니다. 로진님 drop the
Mimi, thank you, Mimi. Guys, triple.
Thank you for the
Okay.
donut.
Palumpalo sila sa triple. Ako hindi ako palumpalo.
They
Chill lang
have-
ako. Kailangan ko mag-register
Wow.
kayo, guys.
I'm my favorite filter.
Ginahin ko lang sila para,
아리가또,
ano,
하쿠짱.
para maingay.
Wow.
Pero kailangan ko ngayon, guys, mag-register.
Oh
kayo.
my
Persia, what
God.
happened, Persia? Hero.
뭐야? 감사합니다.
아니 오늘 좋으신데요 두 분?
감사합니다. 로진님.
Persia,
Papabuhat lang ako ngayon.
저는
I got you,
Papabuhat lang ako
Persia.
ngayon sa kanila.
오, 감사합니다.
they're strong today.
Thank you, Ninong Bri.
Wow.
I didn't ignore you. I didn't ignore
My,
you.
my gifters,
Keisha.
my
don't-
gifters is sleeping
what
right
the hell,
now.
Jenny and Keisha, what you got? What you got?
They're sleeping. They want to sleep.
하쿠짱 아리가또
아, 저
고자이마스.
기쁘죠. 저는 상관없는데 감사합니다, 너무. Thanks for following me,
감사합니다.
Asmir. How are you, Ashley?
Kuya Asmir, nasa kabila ka
님
pa, Asmir, ah.
감사합니다. Guys, two roses. Let's go.
2 roses. Thank you,
Yeah.
Jenny.
Hi Ramen, what's up? How are you?
아, 형.
Why you?
저희 시청자분들이 형이
How are you guys?
보니까 기쁘대요.
Huh?
저희 반분들이 형
Guys,
기뻐하고
times 3.
기쁘다고 형 전해달래요.
Double
Kaya
point.
yung si Brad magpanalo sa
Thank you, Brad. Thank you, Brad.
Si Brad malakas si Brad, guys. Eh.
Brad.
By the way, guys, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-register,
Oh,
mag-register na kayo.
He's left the hospital.
Yeah.
Why?
We
What's up?
only have 20...
Sick?
Ay, 19. We only have 19 left, guys. Slots. 19 slots left.
아리가또
Kung hindi pa
하쿠짱.
nakaka-register dyan, mag-register na kayo. 19 slots na lang, guys. Come on, come on.
Come on, turn the radio on.
Queen, ano to?
Double.
Ninong Meron. Ay, diyan ka pala,
Crazy
Queen,
Monkey,
ah.
thank you for the 70
Hi,
roses.
Queen.
What the hell? Crazy Monkey, thank you.
Queen,
Trust like
papanalo mo
you.
ba to, Queen?
What's that, Asmir? Asmir? How can I read your name?
Hey, Asmir, why are you there? Come back here.
You're a fan? I'm sorry, bro.
Asmir, come back here.
Asmir, stay here. Oh, I love you too, Asmir.
Thank you, Felica. Thank you so
I
much.
thought-
Trust, how you doing,
I thought
Trust?
you loved me, Brad.
Thank you. 퓨 아리가또
What did
고자이마스.
you say?
Nothing.
Keisha, thank you. Keisha, I didn't ignore you, Keisha. Gia, what you doing?
Kuya Asmir, bumalik ka naman dito, oh. Baka
Of
lang naman
course.
hiya na lang, Asmir, oh. Nahalata, Asmir, ah. 19, guys, 19.
It's funny. What's up, Janelle? What's up, Lean?
What's up, too, man?
오, 오늘 귀여운데요, 그거?
에반데?
리얼.
에반데, 너?
정원 형님급인데요, 형? 다시 해주면 안